So today we have three awesome speakers. All of them happen to be my colleagues. I'll ask each of them to give a short introduction, starting with Carrie.
Hi, good morning or good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for spending a little bit of time with us. And if you're in the Gulf states, our thoughts are with you because you're probably standing in some water. But I'm Carrie Blaho-Owens. I'm the Director of Safety and Pharmacovigilance at Perficient. My background is really more on the other side of the table, if you will. I came from pharma on the PV operations and regulatory side, and also have a number of years working in a CRO. So I'm happy to be here, and thanks again.
Great, thank you, Carrie. PRabha, can you say a little bit about yourself?
Sure, thanks, Eugene, and thanks everyone for joining this call. I'm PRabha Ranganathan. I'm also part of Life Sciences Business Unit here at Perficient. I am responsible for clinical data warehousing and analytics, and we work with a lot of pharma companies and CROs delivering solutions in this space. We also deliver custom solutions and integrations, and part of the solutions that our team delivered is what you're going to see today. And I also have about 15 years experience delivering products primarily for pharma companies.
Great, thank you, PRabha. And Christine.
Hi, everyone. Christine Livingston. I run our artificial intelligence practice at Perficient. I've been in the space for about 5.5 years, looking at ways that we can help embrace and adapt artificial intelligence technologies, and work very closely with Carrie and PRabha in the life sciences space to make some of those technology visions come to life.
Great, thank you. So at this point, I'd like to turn it over to Carrie for the main portion of this presentation. I'll come back during the Q&A portion and speak to you then. Carrie, the ball is yours.
Thanks, Eugene. And you can still see the PowerPoint, correct?
Yep.
Okay, great. So this morning, what we'll do is we'll briefly go through some of the challenges in the world of pharmacovigilance. Things are certainly different than they were 5 years ago. And if we take a look back at 10 years ago, when we were still probably, some of us, shuffling paper source documents, we're finding that our world is changing and that we really need good processes within our PV operations group to support this, but also technology is playing a greater role. We'll look at the case processing workflow and highlight where some of the solutions around AI that Christine mentioned and PRabha can be enhanced so that you can save time and effort. And we'll also look at what natural language processing and the end-to-end data flow and the technology that can support the things that we'll demonstrate this morning looks like. We'll do a quick demo, and this is a POC, and I just want to be very clear that when you're looking to implement any kind of technology solution, whether it's automation or AI or anything to enhance the workflow, what we normally do is take a step back and look at the individual components of your workflow and look at developing a common sense roadmap